My name is Dan Carmichael, and I work in the Birmingham, Alabama branch location for Mazzella. So Birmingham branch is our hub location in our region, and we support the other branches in Tennessee and Georgia.
Well, we fabricate chain slings, and we also sew nylons there. We have 4 sewing machines. We also make wire-up slings up to 2.5-inch diameter.
Our branch, we do all sorts of rigging products, below the hook type stuff, nylon slings, anything from the crane to the floor, we would be a source for it.
Here at this branch, we do such a broad spectrum of things. It could be inspecting a 1-ton crane with a chain hoist on it to changing a hoist gearbox on a 500-ton hot metal crane. It's always different.
We have a lot of people, we all get along well, we have a lot of experience. If somebody doesn't know something, there's usually somebody else that can answer the question for us.
I think we stand out from a service standpoint, from a standpoint of just, we genuinely care what goes on with our customer, what they're doing it with, and that they're doing it properly. We just want to assist with that.
Our philosophy at Mazzella and our Birmingham branch is to provide our customers with safe, cost-effective solutions that get our customers' products and services to market and gets our customers home safely every day.